If you've spent any time at all on social media lately, you know the ads we're talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Who just pop up everywhere promising easy money, mine crypto with one tap, that sort of thing.
Right.
And a listener sent us a whole bunch of sources on this one app, the TikCoin Network, because the hype around it is just massive. It's all about passive income.
It's that classic digital gold rush pitch, isn't it? So our mission today is to, look past all that marketing.
Cut through the noise.
Exactly. We need to evaluate the project, its structure, its claims, and really figure out for you, is tapping that shiny mine button actually worth your time, or is it something else entirely?
Okay, so let's unpack this, because right away, the structure of this thing just screams red flags.
Massive red flags.
The sources are really clear on this.
Yeah.
The development team behind this supposedly revolutionary network,
Mm-hmm.
completely anonymous, just
Mm-hmm.
ghosts. Zero public profiles, no developers you can actually look up,
Yeah.
nothing.
And that right there, that anonymity, it creates this huge trust problem. What's so interesting is how they avoid all accountability, It's secrecy.
Yeah.
And that's reinforced by the total lack of documents. In crypto, you expect a white paper. It's the blueprint, right?
It tells you how everything works.
It tells you everything, the tech, the money, the rules. With TikCoin, there is absolutely no white paper. So you can't verify, well, anything.
So if you can't even read the instructions, what about what the thing actually does? The mining claim itself seems technically false.
It is.
Our sources are suggesting that when you hit that button, you aren't really starting some complex blockchain process. You're mostly just starting a timer.
An activity timer. That's it. It's an illusion of work being done.
Just a number going up on a screen.
And if we connect that illusion to the rest of it, it gets really suspicious. This simple timer, this non-technical function, it asks for 19 different Android permissions. 19. Why does a timer need your contacts, your camera, your GPS location, and all your files? That suggests the real value being mined here isn't TikCoin.
It's your data.
It's your data, and that level of access is a serious security question.
So we have an invisible team and some very questionable tech. Let's pivot to the bigger claims. The app advertises a decentralized network powered by validator nodes.
The whole point of crypto, right? No central authority.
Exactly. Yet the sources all say the network structure is, and I'm quoting here, surprisingly centralized. It completely contradicts their own marketing.
And when control stays centralized, the anonymous developers can pull all the strings. It lets them control everything.
Which feeds into the timeline hype.
It absolutely does. They push this idea really heavily that major exchanges will list TikCoin in 2026. That's a huge promise. But there's no confirmed partnership, no credible roadmap. Nothing to back it up. It's a future built on pure speculation.
And when you look at what users are actually experiencing, it's pretty grim. We're talking about people who tap that button every day for months, only to report that their balances just vanished. Or they get hit with repeated login failures and these weird KYC freezes.
A KYC freeze is so ironic, isn't it? The anonymous team forces you to submit your ID, know your customer, and then they use that to trap your balance in the app.
So you can't move it. You can't cash it out.
Never. The ultimate takeaway is clear. Despite all the tapping and all the numbers going up, there is zero evidence of an actual working payout system that turns those in-app points into anything real.
So we've done a deep dive behind the flashing ads and the hype, and what we found is this huge clash. Big promises versus some really severe structural problems. Total anonymity, no real mining, and unconfirmed timelines.
So I guess the final thought for you to ponder is this. If a revolutionary network is supposed to be decentralized and built on trust, why is its entire structure, its leadership, and its technology completely hidden from view? That's something to think about before you let any app dig that deep into your phone.